Do you feel overwhelmed when you are painting? You have to think about what to paint, how to draw it, how to do the composition, what color to use, how to mix them, how to achieve the brush texture, how to achieve the overall effect and the mood you want to convey. And this is too much, and in the end, you don't paint anything. Instead, you are just doom scrolling. Well, you are not alone. I've been there too, and I had a hard time painting. I was struggling with everything you have to juggle with when you are painting, until I realized, I had a bold moment, that I was not the problem. It was the way I approached art that was the problem. And now that I know that, I want to pass it on to you. I love helping you in your art journey, and I want to help you simplify your painting process. That's why I created the Simplified Painting Guide, a step-by-step system to make painting easier and more enjoyable. In this course, you'll learn how to simplify the process, from finding ideas to mixing colors, to make everything smooth and easy and fun. The course is divided in 6 modules, and the first one is what to paint, how to find ideas to know what to paint. So you are always sure to have something in your mind that you want to paint. The second module is how to draw it and how to make the composition. And I will show you different methods to draw, so it's just fun and you can draw anything you want and it's not too complicated. The third module is how to deal with the color palette, how to get a nice color harmony, how to get the colors to respond to each other. And this is leading to the fourth module, which is how to mix color. I want to show you how to mix any color you want from just the 3 primary, if you have the correct primary colors, of course. The next module is how to achieve value and contrast. I will give you tips so you are sure that your painting is always readable. And in the last module, we will apply everything we have learned so far with 3 different levels of complexity. First level is a very simple painting, almost no drawing, no composition, very limited color palette, so we can have something just for a 15-minute painting. The second level is adding a bit more composition and drawing inside. And the third module is how to express what you have in your mind and put it on paper with painting. If you want a sneak peek inside, we will learn how to make thumbnails to prepare a composition that is interesting to watch. We will learn about the correct primary colors and how to mix them to get any color you like. And we will do that with different color harmonies. We'll show you brushwork as well. And my videos are filmed step by step, real time, with the palette visible, because this is very important that you see the colors I'm mixing. And there are also technical lessons about color, complementary color, grayscale, and we also have a lesson about the value, because I know I talk a lot about value, but this is the structure of everything. So I made a theory with examples with famous paintings. So it makes sense, because that's a thing to talk about value, but that's another thing to look at value in famous paintings. But after that, we will practice with our own painting, one in black and white and one in color with the same reference image. So we are able to learn exactly how to do that. During the course, I am using gouache, of course, but you're welcome to use any other opaque painting medium, so that leads to acrylic or oil painting. I'm pretty confident that at the end, you will have improved a lot in your painting process, because my goal is to show you different techniques, to give you tips, to help you improve, but most important, I want you to make it yours and to infuse in your art practice, so you are able to express what you want to express with your art. Even if it's just having fun for 15 minutes, that's a complete valid goal. Inside the 6 modules, you have a total of 22 lessons with step-by-step videos. 30 exercises and a 50-page workbook coming along with the course, where I will summarize all you have to think about when you are using this specific topic, and exercises, and a reflection part where you can think about how to integrate all you learn inside your practice. If you're ready to simplify your painting process and want to have fun with your art, click the link in the description and join now. I'm so excited to help you simplify your painting process and see what you are going to create. See you in the course. And meanwhile, YouTube thinks that this video is good for you. Well, let me know if it works. And he completely agreed with me. Yeah, say hi to Sasha, my favorite cat.